Hey, what's up, guys? It's Infinity VR. Infinity VR.
Hold on, guys. Liam, don't tag me.
Going to do a quick video. Aw, flip. I kind of tagged him, but then I got tagged back. I know that's crazy, right? Everyday bot there, bros. No, you're not, my guy. No, not you, Jackson. I was talking with whoever this guy is. Oh yeah, his VR lagged out or something. Oh yeah, we gotta. Okay. But okay, I'm back. His game lagged out. It lagged out like the line in Taco Bell. Everybody, my guy, how dare you? We're gonna be family friendly. Look behind. Look at me. At the time of my life, and I never got ye squad. Oh, you sure you want to say that? Oh, hey, hey. I forgot about that. What was coming? While they're doing that, I'm gonna. No, really? Every day about there, welcome. Hey, white, 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 come up here. Purple, pink, or whatever. You went past me. These are pipes? He didn't call you. No, he didn't. And my guy, I even have it on record, so. Okay, I will. Pink, get on the pipe. Get on the whatever thing. Yeah, the sleuths. My guy, you messed. Yeah. Maybe. Take the L, Ben guy. My guy. Everybody was playing Fortnite. Clipped. Don't jump. It's the risk. The orangutan has reached the limit. The orangutan has reached the limit. We made it. Let's go on the go. Oh, Jackson, I was gonna tell you. Go, Jackson. Jackson, come over here. Everybody was coming. I should have stayed up there. Everybody. Naruto. I'm sorry. Sorry. You got. I tagged you that time. I tagged you when you got tagged and you started getting mad. And I should not. He's gonna get to you, Jackson. It's a half chance he might. Why? Pink, get the heck up here. Rain VR, get the heck. Oh, get the heck up here. Get the heck up here. Everybody's running. He's okay. I'm gonna get off.